Today we're going to practice cutting. So what you'll need is a cutting board. You'll need a pair of scissors. And you'll need different things to cut. So I went out in my garden and I got some sticks. And I'm going to try to cut their very little, they're twigs really, the really small twig sticks. Because if they're too thick, your scissors will go through them. So I found really little ones. And I got some paper that has lines on it, and I'm going to practice cutting on the lines. And I got a piece of cardboard that I'm going to cut up, and some leaves. So you can go out in the garden and find things to cut. You could cut grass, you could cut leaves. Just make sure your parents are with you so that you don't, take something that your mom or your dad wants to grow. Because if you take the wrong things, that would be really sad. These have already fallen off the tree, so they're not living anymore. And this is a weed, and I picked these because we don't want them in our garden. So it's okay for me to pick them and cut them. So make sure if you're taking things from nature that it's already off the plant, or if you're picking it, that you ask a parent first, or a friend, or whoever you're with that day, the adult. All right, so first, I think I'm going to do my leaves first. These are dandelion leaves. They're really big, kind of splinky at the end, pointy. And I'm going to practice cutting these. So I'm going to take my scissors with my right hand, because I'm right-handed, and if you're left-handed, you'll put it in your left hand. But I'm right-handed, so my scissors go in my right hand. And I'm going to cut them up. It goes really easy. It's a thin leaf, so it's not hard to cut. Now make sure when you get closer to your fingers that you go slower, and you make sure you don't cut your fingers. Very carefully cut them when you get close, because you don't want to make yourself get about an owie. So here are my cut leaves. They look like confetti. All right, I'm going to put those over there. Okay, let's try something else. I think I'm going to do my paper. So I've got lines on my paper. I'm going to very carefully cut right on the line. Right on the line. I'm going to do it again. You can get paper that has lines on it, or you can get a blank piece of paper and draw lines on it with a ruler. It's up to you and the adult who's helping you. Ta-da! All right, cut up the paper. So I would keep going and try to cut every line. I'm not going to do that because that would be boring for you to watch. So maybe I'll finish cutting those later. I'm going to try the sticks now. I'm excited about these. I'm going to see if I can cut through them. Do the skinny one first. So I'm going to hold it with my left hand and cut with my right. Woo! You got to use pressure. Use your muscles. Woo! They go flying. Be careful. Oh boy, I'm going to have to go pick those up later. But I cut them. All right. I'm going to try a thick one now. Ooh. Oh, there it goes. I got it. Woo. There, I got it. That was a lot thicker. All right, I'm going to put those right there. All right, now I'm going to try cardboard. Cardboard is like thick paper. It's not as hard as the sticks, but it's a little bit harder than the paper and the leaves. I'm going to make a triangle. Maybe I'll try to make a circle. I made a circle, and triangle, and a rectangle, and whatever the shape is. All right. And that's practice cutting. best way to practice cutting is to get all kinds of different materials that your parents say are okay for you to cut and cut them all up into shapes or little pieces or whatever you want, because it's really good practice getting your cutting skills. Lots of my students say I'm a really good cutter, and this is how I get really good at it, is practicing using scissors and going very slow and being patient. So I hope you have fun with this. Have a good day. Bye, friends.